Just a quick update video on progress of the Art Car. We got the tread on the ball. That's a shift pod, believe it or not. Those are the broken spars. Unrelated, but just, it's been real. And the actual frame of the Art Car. Here's the progress on it. Soon, once this gets buttoned up, I will be marrying the ball to the car, and then that should be a huge kind of change. Anyways, show you how I got to here. Why did I say anyways so much? New intake. It's not drilling like aluminum, and the bit got hot and it's like, that's weird. And I thought, could this be magnesium? So anyways. There you go. The mechanic left this behind. I'm assuming it's a mechanic because it's actually a Mac socket. So I'm gonna clean it up and see how it looks. 12mm. We're going to start the frame. Got these laid out for cleaning. I think they're 24 feet long. Everything's where it's supposed to be. Here's the plan. That's the perimeter. It's been going light speed. We've been at it for about an hour. Okay. So we got the top rail on. It's this is going to be like the main deck height, where it's seating and stereo, and the scissor lift is going here, ball's going there. These are cut too long because we thought we don't need to precisely measure. We can do that when we get the ball in location. It is ginormous.
Here, if you need a hand, just come ask, eh?
Oh, thank you. I was testing to see if the Christopher Tire out of Cobden. Folks there are letting me raid their scrap tire pile. The inner thing is it's really thick here, and then it gets thin, and there's a sweet spot in the middle about an inch thick, believe it or not, that is just perfect. So I'm off to get 2 more of these tires. Even though they're a bit worn, the rubber's fresh, so it won't dry rot in like 10 minutes on me. Bought this tire grooving machine, and I'm surprised at how well it works. When I push on it, that gets really hot and it cuts the track. So see how fast that cuts? Start it on this side, just pulls right out. Because it's still fresh, it's highly elastic. See a weak spot? Turn one of these into one of these. It's quite strong. I should be good. It should. Got rubber on the ball. 6,600 pounds of static load per side. So that's 12,000 pounds of force, which would be, I need half the Art Car. I'm probably gonna be safety margin 3 times with these. Just, yeah, safety's a big deal to me. Getting some supports put in to hold the scissor lift to go right up there. Just shutting down, I noticed a cool smoke effect from the MIG welding.